In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Connections. Then click on Bluetooth and select the gray switcher next to it if it's not already on. Finally, just wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Finally, hit pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!